Bill Gates is leading an effort to invest in climate change solutions. I spoke to the Microsoft founder and former Treasury Secretary Hank Paulson on their climate-related work for the Economic Club of New York. And I asked Bill Gates about the rise of SPACs, particularly for new technology like QuantumScape. That's a company he invested in early on that came public through a SPAC last fall.
A lot of these processes are very capital intensive, and take building a fusion reactor. That's almost $1 billion. And so if capital markets are willing to invest in these companies at an early stage, you got to make sure your disclosure about the risks is really extreme. But the green product companies are going to improve their balance sheets and get capital for projects because the markets are saying, okay, this is important. And now we have to be careful which ones are ready for that, for being a public company. How early do you take them out? We've kind of flipped from a world where companies would probably stay private too long to now where, unless you're tasteful, some of these companies may be going public too soon. And, there will be quality companies that SPAC. There will be low quality companies that SPAC. And I'm going to try and stay involved in the higher quality ones.
You heard Hank Paulson laughing in the background there when he was talking about how there are going to be low-quality SPACs, and he's going to try and only be associated with the high-quality ones, obviously getting into a lot of the questions about disclosure and making sure that investors understand the risks behind all of this. But, guys, we'll have more of this conversation coming up in just a little bit, including Hank Paulson's thoughts on inflation and whether you need to be worried about that right now. It's really an interesting time.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.